Okay, I'm Nevada. Say something.
I mean,
And this is our video. Funny stripping. What was it?
funny stripping town.
Whatever it is. Revive.
Oh God, he's going sexually.
Quit that, Samuel. And Ian could eating those chips. Anyway, this is our video.
We are
Revive.
very funny, so come visit us.
Yes, just shut up, okay? This is our new video, Revived, okay? So it's more awesome with awesomer sounds. And, no flipping people off! I'm gonna have to edit that part! God damn it! Okay, we're gonna have to... screw this. Just watch this video, okay? And eat it. Yeah. Hey! Yeah, I know this sounds like the... Who's gay? No.
Not me.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Tight.
Oh yeah. Look at it. Take your clothes off. Ooh,
I could hear your belly jiggling. What the hell do you do that? Why are you always eating chips when you're doing this?
Hey, Mom.
Okay. As long as you don't. No, God. We're not on video, Sam. Yeah. Ah, got that. Hey, quit that. Oh, I'm not your sex toy. Oh, God, get off of me, Samuel. Yeah. Bye, monster. Bye, monsters. Hot girls will come to you. Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at those tight buns. Oh yeah.
Let me see the. Ah!
That's not funny again. Why do you keep doing that? Okay. Oh, she's busy. Okay. Okay. Oh, she's bowing for you.